All right, I'm at 4582 Logans Way. It's November 8th, 2024, 5 p.m. in the afternoon. It's about 75 degrees outside. I'm going to attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle here. These are 17-year-old 3-tab shingle. They're likely to be in a pretty brittle condition. I'm going to see if they're in a repairable state by doing a repair with one shingle and seeing what the shingles look like after I'm done. I'll be utilizing a flat bar and a roofing hatchet, and I will only be lifting these shingles up high enough to get the nail out, pull the shingle out, put a new shingle in, and putting the nails perpendicular to the roofing surface. So give it a go. All right, just high enough to get this nail out. Right, the shingle's torn from 2 nails being a little too close together. I can feel the give in these shingles as I'm lifting them up. Old shingles out. New shingles in. See quite a bit of granules coming off the existing shingles. I mean, even before I'm gonna nail them, they're already losing some granules. So let's see what they look like after I put some nails in it. Again, just lifting these shingles up high enough to get the nail perpendicular to the roof surface. So, you know, that's the minimum I can lift it up, about 45 degrees or so. All right. So taking a look at these shingles, it has rained, so these shingles are a little dark, but wiping these shingles off, you can see granules missing here, a lot of granules missing here. You know, after a couple of light winds, these shingles are all damaged. So the matting of these shingles is fractured. You can see the crease lines, a lot of granule loss here, granule loss here. So I'll go ahead and mark this up real quick. But so these shingles that stay, see creasing, all along here. The shingle's got a little creasing right there. All along this, the shingle's wet, so it's hard to see it, but a lot of creasing. These shingles are no longer in a condition to resist wind. So I would call this a failed repair attempt.